Hello there and welcome back to Craft Resin, where creativity comes to life, and in today's video we're answering an important question. Does viscosity of resin affect the quality of the pour and the ease of mixing? The short answer is yes. Viscosity plays a key role in how easily you can pour resin and how smoothly it mixes with the hardener. But let's break it down. Viscosity refers to how thick or thin the resin is. Lower viscosity means the resin is thinner and flows more easily, while higher viscosity means it's thicker and flows more slowly. For example, Craft Resin Deep Pour Resin has a viscosity of 1100 CPS. This makes it thinner and ideal for projects like small tables or large moulds, where you need the resin to flow smoothly into every corner. Lower viscosity, like in Deep Pour Resin, means the resin flows more easily, which helps it settle smoothly and minimises air bubbles. This is great for the large pours where you need the resin to spread evenly. Craft Resin Arts and Crafts resin is thicker with a viscosity of 1400 CPS. This higher viscosity is better for smaller, more detailed projects like jewellery or surface coatings where you want more control. Higher viscosity, like in the 1:1 resin, gives you more precision, but you'll need to be careful when pouring as the thicker resin doesn't spread as easily. Now what about mixing? Lower viscosity resins are generally easier to mix. The thinner consistency helps the resin and hardener blend together more evenly, reducing the risk of improper mixing. With higher viscosity resins, you'll need to mix more slowly and thoroughly to ensure everything is combined. This thicker resin can be more challenging, but with careful mixing, you'll get great results. So in summary, yes, viscosity has a direct impact on the quality of your pour and how easily the resin mixes. Lower viscosity resins offer smoother pours and easier mixing, while higher viscosity gives you more control but requires extra care. Don't forget to visit our website to learn more about Craft Resin and choose the perfect resin for your next project.